Hello, hello friends. This is Samdani. Welcome back to my channel. Right today, in this video, so many of my viewers of YouTube have asked me to do some video on the paper to elaboration regarding the idea and explanation for eyewitness of a road accident. It is useful for both higher and intergrade students, right? So please have an idea like this. You have given the total slide now in front of you, right? Since I'm having the leg pain, I'm not able to stand in front of you. I'm giving the voice to you. Please bear with me. Then see, the question will be given in the exam like this. Question will be given in the exam like this. Generally, this question will be dictated by dictator. Then the student has to note down in shorthand at the rate of 100 words per minute for intergrade students, and at the rate of 120 words per minute for shorthand higher grade students. Once the question will be dictated, the candidate question was dictated and the student has noted down the in the dictation. See, but see, since I'm not dictating now, the question how they will be given. For your idea, I've given the question like this. See, the question will be like this. See, some accident was occurred at LB Nagar, X roads, Hyderabad, and so and so date at so and so time, when a lorry coming from Vanasthalipuram collided with bus coming from LB Nagar. Then what happened finally? 10 passengers from bus died on the spot, and 15 other passengers were seriously injured. Then, when what to do by seeing this incident, generally the person who is seeing this as an eyewitness, immediately he informed the same incident to the uh, he has called for the ambulance and nearest police station also about this incident of a road accident. Then what happened finally? Ambulance was rushed to the spot. Immediately what they do? They have shifted the injured persons to the nearest community hospital, LB Nagar. Then policemen also rushed and inquiring about the accident. So he asks you to write based on these points, whatever given. The examiner will has asked you to draft an eyewitness of the road accident. This is how the question will be asked by the examiner in the paper 2 elaboration about the eyewitness of road accident, both for higher as well as intergrade shorthand students. Now I am giving the explanation like this. See, for this question, you have to the format will be like this. Format generally you have to go give some heading for this. For this road accident, what has happened? See, some lorry and bus has collision at so and so spot. Like this, a brief heading you have to give. Brief heading about the incident should be given in the top. Then you start writing the date, on which date it was happened, on which day. Date and day should be compulsorily, definitely should be mentioned. Then you start explaining the accident, what was happened on that day at that place. See, the explanation will be like this. When I was traveling on my scooter on 30th January 2025 at so and so time near LB Nagar X roads, a horrible road accident was occurred. Then how it has occurred? A lorry which is coming from Vanasthalipuram was collided with a bus coming from LB Nagar. That means you have to mention here how it has happened, how it has happened between the lorry and bus. A lorry which is coming from Vanasthalipuram from the other side, and it has hit the other bus coming from the opposite direction. Like this, a lorry and bus collision was happened. Then what was the loss in that incident? What was happened? 10 passengers who were traveling in the bus killed on the spot. On the spot, they are killed. Then and other 15 passengers were seriously injured because of this space, limited space on the board, whiteboard. I have limited the content. The explanation are given in a limited way. Even you can expand it. See, for example, I called for ambulance. Got for ambulance of so and so hospital. The ambulance was rushed immediately to the accident spot and shifted the injured passengers for treatment, for immediate treatment at common hospitals. Like that, you can elaborate somewhat. I have given the due to shortage of space on the whiteboard. I have limited the points. I have briefed the content. You can elaborate somewhat elaborated, but the format is the same. Format is same, and the contents will be how the explanation you have to give like this only. Like this, the seriously injured passengers for treatment, they have shifted the injured. Those who are injured, no, seriously injured. Those passengers have shifted to the community hospitals for treatment. Okay. Then policemen were also rushed to the accident spot. They conducted a detailed inquiry about the accident for getting the possible reasons of happening of accident on that day. So this is how the question will be given in the exam. Then how you have to write in the format, correct format, and how you have to give the explanation of the question like this. This way, some more like this, someone you can elaborate also. You can elaborate. You can add one more point also here. What you have to do here? See after this. This much is enough. If you want to give, you can add one more point also. These points itself, you can somewhat elaborate it. We can elaborate some more. See, suppose a lorry which is coming from that side, other personal side, was coming speedily. Lorry coming with a high speed, coming from LP Nagar. It was collided with a other bus. The lorry which is coming from the lorry coming from Vanasalpuram. Coming from Vanasalpuram was hit the vehicle coming from other side, LP Nagar, coming from the bus. Lorry collided the bus coming from the opposite side. So like this, 10 passengers were died on the spot, and 15 other passengers, those who have contacted here, those who have seriously injured, they are shifted to the hospital. Then immediately, as an eyewitness, I called for the ambulance. Ambulance was rushed. Right, as also. See the total incident, as an eyewitness, I have to write in a past tense here. That means incident was already happened on 30th January night. It was happened. I am reporting this. I am giving a report of this accident on 31st morning to the newspaper. I am giving this 31st January 2025 on so and so date for the information of police as well as for the information of newspaper itself. Like this, you have to do like this. Then these are the common points will be in the road accidents. Date would be very important. Place where it has happened, place of happening, date, day and date. Date and day and time of the accident is very, very important. Don't forget to write it. And while writing the paper 2 elaboration, the contents whatever given in the given by the examiner in the question, they should not be missed out. You reflect all the points in the answer by giving more explanation. By giving more explanation with a somewhat elaborated way. Right? But the contents whatever given in the question, they should not be missed out, they should be reflected. And the accident report should be written in the past tense because it has already happened, no? So yesterday the night has happened. So next day morning you are reporting, giving a report. So that's why everything should be in a past tense. You have to give it. It has happened.